What's up everybody, Matt Moran here with another video from New York. Now this is the 2019 Honda Insight, the production version now, and it's a really good looking hybrid. It really doesn't have any compromise, it doesn't have any funky styling like you see on other hybrids. It's like a baby Accord. Inside it's also kind of like a baby Accord. There's some Civic elements mixed in as well, but a lot of it is very similar to what you see in an Accord, and it's about the size of a Civic. It is based on the Civic platform, but you can see it's got the gauges out of the Accord there, and a few other things like the shifter and the steering wheel seem basically identical to an Accord, which is a very good thing. And especially here on the touring trim, you can see just very premium materials with the leather, heated seats, all that type of stuff up front. Rear seat legroom they're saying is class leading as well, with a few more inches than the Prius. The seats do fold flat as well, so it's very versatile. It also has a flat trunk, so again, it is basically just like any other small car, except this one has a 1.5 liter Atkinson cycle engine, and the whole setup does do 151 horsepower and 197 pound-feet of torque, but it's used as a series hybrid. Its main purpose is to power the electric motors and recharge the battery, and it only actually functions as a normal engine whenever it's up at highway speeds, where it's a direct drive to power it at those higher speeds. Otherwise, there is no transmission in this vehicle, which is really cool. So it really is focused on excellent fuel economy. 55 mpg is what they're claiming right now. All the other details will be announced at a later date, but these should be on sale sometime later on this year, and should be very competitively priced as well with the class. But yes, that is the 2019 Honda Insight.